S2. Now we got the Subaru what? Subaru Impreza 2013 with a 2.0 liter engine. Alright, and in this video we're gonna replace the blower motor. The problem is that every time I turn on the heat or the blower, it sounds like a tick 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 tick. I run a few tests on this blower motor, and the problem is the blower motor, so we're gonna replace it. This box is sent by Worldpack, made by TYC, as you can see. Yeah. Don't make me start, man, please. Oh, also, I made a video of how to replace a blower motor in a Chrysler 2008. Alright, if you want to watch it, I'm gonna put the link right here in the video. It's gonna show up on the top of your HUD, aka screen. Okay, and this is the brand new blower motor. To get to the blower motor in this car, we gonna go to the passenger side at the bottom of the dashboard, glove compartment, or whatever you wanna call it, and we're gonna reach out for the blower motor. Now there's like a cover that covers the blower motor. It's a plastic clip. You just have to turn it counterclockwise, then pull down the cover, and you're gonna find the blower motor right there. The blower motor is being held by 3 bolts. Okay. And luckily, we just need a screwdriver. Okay. Before you get to unscrew bolts, disconnect this connector, unplug it. Okay. You don't want to pull on wires and stuff like that. So once you unplug that, hit the bolts. By the way, you just have to press the clip in this connector and pull it. That's all you gotta do. It's nothing crazy. Yeah. And you might know this, but I never pull from the wire. Okay, never pull from the cable. Okay, you want to pull from the housing, from the connector. Okay, and if it's too hard to pull it down, apply some WD-40. Okay, that might help. So once you do that, hit the screws, you know, and the blower motor is gonna come out. Okay, I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to learn, which is really good for you. And thank you for subscribe to my channel. Thank you for hitting the like button, and thank you for coming. Alright, and if you didn't subscribe, well, do it now. Destroy, hit, nuke the subscribe button. Okay, do the same with the like button. Alright, hit the like button. And if you have any questions, any comments, anything to say about this video, any feedback, any experience related to the blower motor, related to the Subaru Impreza, just put it in the comment box. Alright, and this is how we pull the blower motor. Okay, and I'm gonna put the brand new blower motor next to it so you can see the difference. There's not much upgrade with this blower motor because it's not at all. It's 2013, so it's gonna be the same design and the same version. Yep. Wait, hold on. Let me move. Let me move this stuff so I can put the can put both. You know, right there, so you can see them. They both look the same to me. There's like probably like 2 screws on top of the new one. The old one has 1 screw. And once you put the install the brand new motor, blower motor, you know, start the car and play with the blower speeds. Okay, put it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, and see if how the blower motor reacts. Know what I'm saying, put it in hot, put it in cold. Like I said, you have to test it. Know what I'm saying, so you can send it out. Send it, you know. Like I said, the previous blower motor, every time I put the fan on, it used to make a click sound, like a click, 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 click. I mean, it blows, I mean, it moves, but it doesn't blow air though. I mean, it was spinning and all that, spinning and all that, but I couldn't hear the matter of fact, I could hear like a click sound, and that's not good. So that's why we're replacing the blower motor. I can't stress it enough. I just want to say thank you again for watching this video. I hope you find it useful, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do it. Hit the like button. Any questions, anything that any idea, any experience, any thoughts related to this Subaru or the blower motor, just put it in the comment box. Alright, it's gonna help me a lot. Know what I'm saying? Any feedback, know what I'm saying, just put it in the comment box. Because as you learn, I learn from you too. Know what I'm saying? I just want to know what you think, and that's very useful. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.